Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix screenshot not working on Edge 90 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart phone, just click and hold side power button and volume up button. You will see restart phone from here. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. But if it do not solve, go to app library. Scroll down to and click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Search and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, go to app library. Scroll down to and click on Settings app. Scroll down to and click on System. After click on System, click on Reset Phone option. After click on Reset option, click on Reset All Settings. After click on Reset All Settings, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix screenshots not working on Edge 90 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.